Meaning of expedition.
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 Expedition. Expedition refers to a journey or mission that is undertaken for a specific purpose, often involving exploration or discovery. It can also refer to a military operation or scientific research conducted in a remote or difficult-to-access location. The result of an expedition can vary widely depending on its goals and objectives. In some cases, it may lead to groundbreaking discoveries or the mapping of uncharted territories. In other cases, it may result in the successful completion of a specific mission or the retrieval of important data or samples. Overall, expeditions are often seen as important tools for advancing human knowledge and understanding of the world around us.